Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make pond on scratch and I'm gonna show you how it works. So it's a top view of a pond and you can see the fishes moving around there. So when I click on the water, it makes a ripple like this and the leaves and flowers will move. Now let's make it. So now I got some costumes of a fish. It has three costumes, one with the tail like this, and another one with the tail like this, and another one which is like this, which makes it look like it's swimming. So I also have a leaf. It has two costumes of a leaf and two costumes of one flower. So now let me make this fish smaller. I'll keep it like 40. Yeah, that's enough. Now also I need to make one sprite. So just take dark blue and just draw it around like this to make the pond. Then just keep it in the center like this. Now keep a green flag option. Then forever I'll just simply keep set ghost effect by 10. Maybe I'll keep 20. I'll make this white a little like lighter. Maybe I'll just delete this. I'll make this more. Okay, that fish is now visible. So now we are gonna program for the fish. So when green flag clicked, forever, not forever, just repeat 10 times. So it should make some clones first. So make clones of myself, and it should also go to random position and point in direction random 0 to 360. So this will just make 10 clones of a fish in random positions and random directions like this. So now we need to make them move. So first I'll just keep show over here and hide. So now I'm gonna take, when I start as a clone, it should just forever it should just move. It should move in like 5 steps. And also one more thing, the fish should not point this way, it should point the other way. So I'll make it all point this way. Then only it will move straight. So okay, so now if it touches a edge, so I'll just keep if touching edge, it should turn like not 0, I'll keep it like from 30 to like 90. So let's see how that is. Yeah, it's moving like that. but in the edge it just simply kind of spins. So to stop that, I'll just keep a bounce on it so it will not feel like so crazy when it reaches like that. Okay, now it's working better with the fish. Now let's make its tail move. So I'll just simply duplicate this, delete the code inside, then take a weight block, put it like 2.2. Okay, now I'll keep next costume. So they'll just move their tail. Now let's program the leaf. And one more thing I need to program here is that it should go to back layer. And the leaf should be front layer. So I'll keep front layer. And the same code as I programmed in the fish, just take this one, and put it in the leaf. I'll just put this over here, delete this. So now it will just, okay, I should add one more code which should be change next costume, so it will be like this. Now I need to paint one more sprite. So I'm just gonna take a dark blue, and now to make a circle I'll just click on shift and then make a circle. So I'll just get a perfect circle. Now I need to select this color here, and the fill I'll just put it like this. I'll change this one like this. Now I'm gonna make this smaller like this and put it like that. I'll make it a little darker so that I can see it. Yeah, I can see it there. Now I'm gonna copy it, paste it. So I got a duplicate of it. I'm gonna make it smaller than the other one and keep it there. Now I'm gonna program it like so. When green flag click, whatever, if mouse down, it should not if block. I should take if else, delete the if block, put that there. If mouse down, it should show, then should set the size to like 50. Then it should repeat 5 times. Change size by 10. Let's see how that works. Okay, a little bit more smaller. I'll make it like 30. And here we make it X. Okay, that might be okay. So in the else condition, I'll keep just high, so it won't show. Okay, one more thing. Should always. Okay, I'll make a different area. So keep a green flag option forever. Maybe not forever. Just keep. Go to not at the last. Yeah. Go to mouse pointer. So wherever we click, it comes there. Okay, so now let's make the leaves move if it gets touched by this. So I'll make it like when green flag click, so it should like set rotation style, don't rotate. So it will just change the direction, but it will not rotate. So now forever, if touching right to this thing, it should like, point towards it, and just repeat 5 times. Move away from it. So I'm gonna keep -1. Maybe I'll keep this like 10. Let's see how that is. Okay. The problem is that you should not keep this green flag option, else it will only work for the real one, not for the clones. So to make it work for the clones, I'm gonna keep this. Now it will work. There, it's moving. And I'm gonna add the number of leaves, so I'll just keep it like 20. There's lots of leaves and flowers. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.